Hello, Le Cocktail Connoisseur. My name is Øyvind Lindgjerdet. I'm the bar manager here at the Britannia Bar in Britannia Hotel, Trondheim. We are going to be making some cocktails for you today. We have a twist on a classic. We're going to do our aquavit, very loose interpretation of a martini style drink, okay? So we have the aquavit, which is from our aquavit collection. This is hyper-local product developed by Jørgen Dons and the Inderøy Brenneri, which is in Trøndelag. We have washed it in clarified Røros butter, which is another local dairy product known for its nuttiness and salinity. We have locally foraged bird cherry blossom and a little bit of oil paint on top. And that is like a mellow, buttery, velvety, aquavit-based martini that we're going to be making. All right. On top of that, we're going to have a little bit of edible oil paint, which is food grade oil infused with blackcurrant wood. Those are the branches from the blackcurrant bush when they are not in bloom. Also, we're going to do a little bit of blackcurrant leaf and a pear oil on top. The brush you see on the outside of the glass, the brush stroke in yellow, that is made by the famous Norwegian painter Bleken, and the drink is named after the man himself. This is the Bleken martini. Enjoy.